Today I'm going to replace these headphone ear muff parts. This padding right here is like flaking off, and I have to do it every so often because it does flake off. You can see it's already like coming off on my silicone pad right here. This looks like it's a pretty easy fix. This just comes off. And there's like some tape here that keeps it stuck on. I'm going to do the same thing. Pull off that ear muff. So these are the old ear muffs. You see how dilapidated they look. I'm going to throw these away. I don't know if you can see this, but it's coming off all over my silicone pad. So I got these new replacements here on Amazon. I will add a link to this product in the description below, but these are relatively cheap. I got them for $10. So my headphones are the MDR-Z900s, but this works for the MDR-Z600, the Z900, V600, V900, V900HD, V7509, and 7509 HD headphones. So if you have any of those Sony models, this will work for you. So I'm going to open them and take the pads out. And there's this lining that you just need to go over this rim with. Kind of want to orient them so you see this is like a little fatter, and then this is a little fatter. So I want to do something like that. So what I'm going to do is literally just take the sides and put it over. Just want to do that all around. You kind of have to like work around while keeping it tight on the other side. I think I almost got it. Kind of have to stretch it out. Oh boy, just came out all over here. I'm using my both hands and kind of trying to keep it taut. Actually, it did come with a tool. I wonder if this tool is supposed to help me out. Because as soon as you get one side on, the other side kind of just snaps off. Okay, I think I finally did it. You kind of have to like manhandle the fabric a little bit. Now I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna kind of just stuff it in to the seam. Okay, so what you want to do is you actually want to pull it over the whole thing. That makes it easy. Then you just want to pull it back so it goes into the gap. So that's when this tool comes in handy. So now I kind of get it. And then I want to press it down so it sticks to the adhesive that was there. Alright, this one is on pretty nicely. So once again, you kind of just want to manhandle the fabric. So this side, this is the kind of the shape here. So I'm just going to really just put it over the whole thing. Without any like regard, and then just like stretch this out, but be careful not to rip it. There you go. See, I did that one so much faster. So I just like literally stretched it out over. You see how it's just overlapping the whole thing? And then I'm gonna go back and use this tool. Use this tool to, I'm gonna move the fabric back and into that slot. Okay. Yeah, they see where it goes easily into one place, so it started right here. So now I'm just gonna, I can even use my hand to move the fabric in place. So it's going into between the gap. Okay, it's in between the gap for the whole thing. Now I'm going to, you see how it's moving right now? I don't want it to move. I just want to press down so it sticks to the adhesive. There, now it's not moving anymore. And we are finally done. This one doesn't move, this one doesn't move, and they look fantastic. They look really nice. And now it's not going to flake off on your head and get on your clothes and on your silicone pad anymore. So this tool that came with it is kind of helpful, but I could have used my finger to put this in between. As you probably could see, that wasn't easy for me to do at first, but once I just like was a little bit more aggressive with the fabric, but being careful not to rip it and just putting it over the whole thing, making it overlap, then I was able to push it back into the crevice and line it in. And then also make sure you press the pad to make it stick to the adhesive so that the pad doesn't move around. Okay, I hope this was helpful in helping you change your headphone ear pads. Thanks for watching.